It seems like gaming smartphones have well and truly become a thing again. As Asus joined Razer, Xiaomi, and Nubia in launching the ROG Phone yesterday. The week isn't over yet though, but it's brought us another gaming-themed phone in the form of the Honor Play. Launched in China today, the Honor Play certainly packs enough power to deliver a top-flight visual experience. There's Huawei's flagship Kirin 970 chipset with NPU for AI smarts, 4GB or 6GB of RAM, 64GB of expandable storage, and a well-sized 3750 mAh battery to drive the action. This all powers a notched 6.3-inch display, with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 LCD screen. Don't expect a P20 style photography experience here, as you'll have to settle for a 16 megapixels f2.2, and 2 megapixels f2.4 dual camera pairing, and 16 megapixels f2.0 selfie camera. There's no optical image stabilization either, so keep that in mind when shooting video or low-light shots. Nevertheless, the Honor brand is touting AI-powered scene or object recognition and segmentation tech akin the Honor 10 for better shots. Other noteworthy features include USB Type-C support, a headphone jack, hybrid SIM slots, and MUI 8.2 atop of Android 8.1. So what warrants calling this a gaming smartphone? For one, it packs some interesting GPU turbo technology. It's unclear exactly what this entails, but it seems to be a software-related tweak to get more out of the phone's internals and maintain a smooth frame rate. The other gaming-focused move is the decision to add 4D haptic feedback of sorts when playing games. This takes the form of different vibrations for specific actions in-game, such as explosions and gunfire. Hopefully it's more Xbox One impulse trigger vibration and less generic smartphone vibration. That's really it as far as gaming-related features go. I can't really see mobile gamers with loads of money getting this over the Asus ROG Phone, Razer Phone or even Xiaomi's Black Shark. The Asus device stands out from other recent gaming phones by offering 3 air trigger haptic sensors, serving as shoulder buttons in games. Meanwhile, Xiaomi's phone offers a liquid cooling system of sorts and half a gamepad. The Razer Phone might be losing its edge in the power stakes, but that 120Hz display is certainly unique too. So it's going to take more than powerful internals to compete against these players. Nevertheless, people looking for a cheaper phone with flagship-level graphics should definitely keep an eye on the Honor Play. It starts off at just 1,999 yuan or $312 for the 4GB plus 64GB version, increasing to 2,399 yuan or $375 for the 6GB plus 64GB variant.